Math Studies 2019 May Paper 2 Time Zone 2 Question 4. It's the arithmetic geometric sequence question. Okay. In the first part, the important thing is to say increase by the same amount. Same amount means arithmetic sequence. Same difference, arithmetic sequence. Okay? So you should think arithmetic sequence. Start by writing general form. Okay? Equation for day 7. Well, we're looking for the 7th term, and we know it's going to be 21 milligrams. We don't know the first term. We know that n is 7. We don't know the difference. Okay. Then we have on day 11, and it's 29. So u1 plus 11 minus 1 times the difference. That's the second equation. It's an equation system. Either solve it quickly if you're good at that, or use the calculator, but get u1 is to be 9 and the difference is supposed to be 2. Okay? 2 more points. Receives the drug for 30 days. We're going to calculate the total amount, so that's the sum. Okay? So we want to have sum 30. You have 2 formulas to calculate the sum of an arithmetic sequence in your data booklet. One of them uses first term and last term. We don't have term number 30, so that's not the best way. So in this case, use the other one. n divided by 2, 2 times u1 plus n minus 1 times the difference, right? That's the formula. Let's replace them. I should write generally here. Okay, so this is 30. 30 divided by 2, 2 times 9, plus 30 minus 1 times 2. Okay. Practice using your calculator. This should be punched in one step to get the right answer, and the right answer is 1140. 1140 milligrams. Okay. D. A lot of new information. Okay. It's about TED. 20 milligram antibiotic injection on the first day. The amount of antibiotic received decreased by 50% each day. So this is a percentage change. That means it's a geometric sequence. If you change with the same percentage or with the same ratio, geometric sequence. Okay. And what we are writing is geometric sequence. So un is first times ratio to the power of n minus 1. That's the formula for a geometric sequence. Okay? They say that the first term is 20. They say that the ratio is a decrease by 50%. Okay? Find the amount antibiotic that TED receives on the 5th day. So we're going to find U5. So it is 20 times 0.5 to the power of 5 minus 1. Minus 1 because we don't have a change the first day. Same thing here, right? We don't add a difference the first term. So this becomes 1.25 milligrams. Okay? The daily amount received will first day less than 0.06 on day number K. So 0.06, that's how much he receives. First day was 20. The ratio is 0.5 to the power of x minus 1. Okay? That's an equation. Use the equation solver. Solve it. X becomes, what's it, 9 point something I can recall. I don't have everything done, but I think it was something like 9.38. I don't know if that's true, but it was 9 low, I'm pretty sure. So that means on day number 9, it was more than that. On day number 10, it's going to be less than that. So, day 10. Okay? It's not rounded to the nearest day, it is the first day we're actually less. And here we're decreasing. Okay? And finally, the total amount that Ted receives. Now it is the sum. Question D3. Okay, geometric sum. It's the first term times 1 minus ratio to the power of n divided with 1 minus ratio. You have another one. You have 2 versions in the data booklet. The other one is this. They give the same results if you do it right, so it doesn't really matter which one you use. But here, since the ratio is small, we get positive numbers, so I'm going to keep that, right? Negative numbers is trickier. Okay. And we're going to have sum 10, because it's the 10th day, it's the last. Actually, let's be careful. First K date, so yeah, the first 10, so it isn't until the first off. Okay, so the 10 first days, U1 was 20, 1 minus the ratio was 50%, 10 days, 1 minus 0.5. Punch that, punch it correctly, as usual. Long division line means don't forget the bracket. And if we do this correctly, we get something that's round to 40.0. Okay. It's fairly popular to take -1 here. It's not. Okay? Just n. Don't forget that. And if you do, you're going to get close, but not exactly right, because, I mean, the last day is small amount. But still, it's not so correct.